ye ya wada na the last day of Siemens Herbal free screening. Esra wa tie mi ye. Siemens Herbal enya afi. Na afi na wo mu die no ena omo hwe sene yeboa afarikatacho the late rantia hine na akwamu hine the late na akwamu hine owo na sene osi bua ye ma Siemens apagya no omo de sa ena enan si ho ena ye last day tie mi ye se won call Siemens a kona koye screening ka wo ho ene say screening bi ho no ma prostate for men ukoye screening asika ebeji wo na fom u sugar uko check u sugar levels ubetua u blood pressure oba se unkosua na etuya na ntuye se si a wona mo ebia wo nwoy young girl you don't even know say ovary see adwuma na enya adwuma go and test it free and a general body screening ebia wo person hu o hemoglobin level ete bia moja sene o moja swati ana e wosoro ana se bia wo malaria parasite no mne yadeyem ahodo bebre okwa omubeye screening typhoid fever nsuo tutoi ebi kra na honam etutu oye yade bi Siemens Herbal wo mfidie ni nyina bi wo mo na ya omode edro na ewiase nyina mema nyina age atum efe na agan no agan etimisrawa enya yira kwan kra baby eye na otweda ransa na obedu baby ana ayifo no police fo na to barrier no upeja wotia wonsa ni fa sei ubon se Siemens hoye kama spacious car park abibia ekoso ben Askorima Mpora Bank eni di hwe ni mu tu do du Askorima Mpora Bank eni obonkum na eni onifa ba ho ko Askorima Mpo ho ne ko ye screening anopentra ho Ghana for ye pemoto oh ye nkaminya wanya ti akwanya no aba to mika you are encouraged to attend that place for a screen free and na last day yo benim sa obeto anamon ko wasomre ne ko ye screening no na ye hunu onipa ho so hunu de baby a wadro ne wapom den de kosi ana unya anu adro ebu ane mbetima so anu ama odro wo Siemens okra ma jade ba yade na ode kwa omutimi mu Siemens Herbal free screening Askorima Mpo 8 a.m. pepe no num no mapon eti senen so to the sack electronics TVs fridges freezers air conditioners washing machine gas cookers microwaves rice cookers blenders kettles home theaters electric irons any products na open or Tony Saka unya bie mesrewa dum Wesley Matadis usania SD Karam Kwantimpo mu ha ye number no 0500 mo am won kan ni portable am pedi do support no 0500309309 0500309309 and 0244266193 0244266193 and 0508108337 0508108337 na bibia akoso kama e de amount extra comfort mattress yada o comfort to and na papa bi and aye da ne nyina ne say auto mattress papa utumi da ma ho ye fom obaso ya no pa na ho den na mattress na amim komu a wa chiri bramu no wa chiri kasa wan hwe ya obefi say woni nkrofo obi amebo da ye boni a wosusu nyina moja na eni afurusane no na ma so da ye boni no to mattress papa e mass spinal alignment to would doubt him say what your king size queen size your student mattress your single your double wo the old dia ne say obefre atwema francho ye benfo ase 0242 810 705 0242 810 705 and 0203 868 664 0203 868 664 Freyenie Fanco Enterprise Jacuzzi papa WC sensor papa cabinet papa bi glass basins uko raha kitchen sinks yɛde hyehyɛ kitchen man yɛ fair afei bulletproof doors any Chinese security doors ahodoɔ they free Turkey they free China yɛwɔ LED mirrors so son kanea fɛfɛfɛfɛfɛ water heaters once you share no atum sɛ wudware yawa abai once you need choice or so convert ya na nye easy o bath accessories hand dryers plumbing pipes ahodoɔ ka hoen na ne fan konkodidwa oyɛ plumber kohonomo wa also person obi ye plumbing works ma no catch and say uncle fanko obese se bibia kama ma brofo do main station honey headquarters Posego Lane ye ni di hwa ni Musambra Hotel sa na repa achi pe Wesley Matter di so ba dan the twaso no bon se first floor honomo ye honomo online delivery so ofre ya ni obetuma di nkita ho 0551011770 0551011770 and 0551011767 0551011767 and 0201 726 okay Jumedia tudin na minim ebaso Joada kopim Yawada 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Now Omaya say from Kubia a new and exciting segment Omode kana minu. Now Matuni didn't say I want you back. Now I want you back no I say bu on my ebiana oni obabi kra ntem tete. Now wahunu say ono akochinchine ye no ebiam from so bi esi e wo so sakofa na de ebi obi an yiri dada sa be wa me foforo na oba ye no ade a wo ye ne mani nyi ho pa bu also ai bia wafom obi relationship adamfo wo hu say ade a wo ye ne nye ana say wadamfo no wo ye oboni bi kra ma wapam no ana wo fiancé bi opam no wo hu say ehu be hia say ye dey oba na between spouses lovers families bu o ma woni unua mo ntam nye di bia be koso nti we no your friend I want you back I be koso nti no say wo asem bi sa obetimi afre 0244 80 96 41 0244 80 96 41 0244 80 96 41 one more na so masne as I say join me live on YouTube I know your Sompa TV Facebook Sompa TV Ghana and sompaonline.com across the globe. Why a crowd or miss my crowd? Yem fancy so na yem koyanim. Okay, for the past 3 days I've been sharing with you. Keep your husband. Nah, series 1, series 2, and then your concluding part. So keep your husband series 3. Quickly, no, I know. Yen Sabre, yem koyanim. Mabuboswa. Now, what I want to share with you is this. A lazy wife is a careless wife. A lazy wife is a careless wife. She doesn't even know that her body needs a bath. But your way, keep your husband series 3. So Aki, thank you very much for 3 in this also. A lazy wife. Oba kwadwofo or yira or ye kwadwofo. Ehu. Eno na obabo refie no. Na brezi ada na nkwala no mpaboa na omudi ko school no ba ko ada ni sei na socks no da ha na chale da ha edam osakatu ura bathroom na odware wan hweye ebe paw obekọ na bathroom hodomo basa sink pesta ye pesti gumu nyina ye dai egum eduma bia wan hwe ya de oye kwadwofo kra no otumi change wadware awie na okodwan no ro ne panties gu mpa no so no obewi akwadwuma ne kunu beba medical beba na panties gu mpa no so na bra gu ha wo de ho kofi a gisa wo frɛ ko wan frɛ de oba ko hu no bogu animu ase ura visitors toilet say bia wona monko na mote na visitors toilet Munya hoho bia agye so koye adwuma o bathroom ho ansana hoho na tiba kwadwo so na dwo so de no ano ye de ahwe obepia bonten oba kwadwofo. If you are not careful, you lose your husband. So kosia bema ye wo mema bi o mo ya hia because ahia out ase bema bi o ya hia bibia akunya kura wo di sise ya oba be chia akunya no aye ni ye because officer wan fancy ye plate kura wo de aduane susu no wo be serve no wo di plate ni si wa wo be kwa ba no wa tilt no in certain way na tade wo to no sedai obe sa akoye dai akoto bio na se ukoware be ma we na ni tifia na wo ye kwadwofo a die enti benya kwadworo enkwadwuma manwumre nkasa wabre obabu anwumre oba o se wabre ni kunu ni honti no ada obu ani ni kunu kra na wo ho me de mabre na yes one person ni kunu beda nti be ma no so ha ne ho. Hey, you want to keep your husband, keep your house clean. Don't be a lazy wife. Proverbs chapter 24 verse number 27 and Proverbs 20:13. Proverbs 24:27. Quickly, and let's move. Proverbs 24 verse number 27. Na yenti asema e wo hono mo. Ni aba emfa kwadro nkwa awale. Emfa kwadro nyedai enkwa aware. Proverbs 24:27 or Proverbs 20:13, any of them. Okay. Give me the phone quickly now. Do not love sleep, lest you come to poverty. Open your eyes, and you'll be satisfied with bread. A man na nyawo de anya sa ebe hiawo biewani na ubedi pa no amen. A man na nyawo de oba da bia wada ukru keka no amuna akwadworo betumi ama wawade ayedai afri wonsa bema bi betumi ni watena ono a wonyawo anka wagya wo kra anka apɛ ɛna wakwadworo nti wode wo ne wonam one wode asa one ne tamfo na tifie da bia ntokwa mamefa Proverbs 24:27 ensanka ho emawo tie ne eka. Prepare your outside work, make it fit for yourself in the field, and afterward build your house. Tie ye sie wadwuma wo baabi na toto bi biara wasase so na no akiri no wachichiri de wo fie. Build your house. Ma wo fie nya kono nya nika. Ya wo mema bi ohonum a enam sane oba no esi tienti da bia ne namfofo pese o mo kɔ ne fie. Oba no siesie fie ya kono enti obi ohonum a football o akɔhwe on adam fufie enso so o DStv ni bo ne fie o te wo kra na ninye efie okra nya na kono ya busa sad ntina da bia okunu nya so boys any do if you on mo o han kan bi ni niam bia enkoye nti on tan trafie mpo obeka so a oboafu be ma rafie na eho the ambience alone is so serene and so beautiful eno kra ma o de ani gie kra etrafie and pay me too.
Changing lives.
Does your husband like a kind of cooked food? Try to change your cooking. No man jokes with food. Proverbs 31:14. Tiemiye. Ediane no a wonu ano. Mesi ediane no a wonu ano. Da bia banku. da bia banku ne nkruma da bia ukru anwumre be 89 obeba kra na oka fufuo hyiama no ana na fu ye kapu ha kisre si sawonsa no kakra ebia my dear na dear na obedie oh eno afufuo no okay ebia anwumre kaminya soup kakra bi kra anom ya chese wo de obeba no na si ho akonman so obo ne kama anadwo be 8 ena o medi bayira pesie ne bode entimi digest to ahwe ya obema no dai obedi congestion yam ho to obenya indigestion me am de nyame kwa ma do me ni fufu I don't eat fufu Oliver can't so ni fufu awadwene ofo
Food for thought, changing lives.
Wow. There is a cooked food your husband cherishes. Also, obia wa aduane a edey. Opebi. Eti adabi class e bufo kakra bi aba, o man cooked food. Obafia. Ohu aduane kra o de asi wo na, ebufo no kra timitiko. E be ma bi o ni udina aduane di agra obetumi ni wa nya asem o. Ebi di. Be ma bi o ha o tena fufuo wa o tim say yes. Man must eat. Yeah, me banku kra na ade mema me a we dey my me say which mean I don't know whether what any audience over gas me yare o say o. I'm not a food person. It means you didn't know now the also the aduane be ye me a o ha ho for the metro but obi o no ma oye bo enti emfa na aduane ni agro wo hu say ukuru pa aduane oba nkwan ubetime to the fuso on tin aduane so ka ba da bia ne nam yi openam I want to say obi ne obi akontoko so ayi na akokọ nam if your husband love a kind of cooked food prepare for him. Prepare that kind of food for your husband. Never be too demanding to your husband. Enjoy every moment, resources as it comes. Obabi o ada bia so sini kunu so o jiska tontoma o jiska towei o jiska koyewei eduma bia bo se bema no ne homete no ema ukru homete no bibia ofia obia bema na ye o tiankwala fees oyewei eni marketing kiti bia nka so betimi dia ya support no ni nyira so wo gifri ni ho ebedum na bi na obi o wo wiase a ne ho ye na hipa ye wo ne yire because you are not helping your husband. Meka we ana meka berima o hwe fie bu afie nya wo bema sika ba botom a wote si abonten eye masem ne ade na oba bebu uyiri bebu sade ana abofu ye obema bi ho no ma obekọ abonten akoyi 1000 Ghana de amani girlfriend ne yiri beka so hia 500 de efie ade a so oni bi usa bema ne de wuye ti wuye chawko asori anyame hu mobo mercy kasa mercy Lord because untumi nya ufie na nko sha bontene tresem say they want to me sure no ani fie no ne onye ne ekura so wo mfaso titi wo no ani fie your children and your wife are suffering by maybe timi kwa bonten ko sha duane a ote ho otumi didi me no apepa na no aba fie se ne yire didie se ne madidie onfa ho me say my husband series keep your wife series enti mama fancy ha me ya bora ho. Woman, don't be too demanding. Obu akwa otim se okunu wotwe ma chinchira woje just say oka bi bia untie enti won se bedu baby no na ne homete oba bi yesa ma ne kunu dwane oba me osu amene ne kasa na me se madam na se wo na opam okunu ene ma wo se wo demand wo ba ma yi hoyi o ko fa no way ene wo hia we ekira wo hia we ene wo hia we ekira wo hia we o ko fa no way. Some women are too demanding. Chaso. Enjoy every moment and the resources as and when it comes. Make a glass of water the very first welcome thing to your husband. And everyone entering your home. Sweetness of attitude is true beauty. Make a glass of water or a bottle of water the very first welcome to your husband and everyone entering your home. Oba ukunu pay free refia. The first thing also this year a glass of water. Onsa me kan wunye bi mpoda. And a bottle. And find kura on sam komano. For tray, you have to have a tray in the house. Now the bottle na day. As to her, now the glass akaho, now the akosi ukranum. Okaso oba onumbia eno enya bufu. Thank you, my dear. Obia baba trasi. Opie gate na noa. Wa nye ne bag. Osan ho koya. Na no a sika na me ka say farmer me into one farmer me. Ukura bo refi onya kran trasi. Udi sika semushiano. Wote ena homache ana 3 days ago and some your kan wani anye ho ho na odi shiano. To ani kuku ana no so atri. Obu okra oba no ope kwan pie. This is my husband serious. How do you welcome your husband? That's what I mean. Say na uche ukunu. Obi okra na say na me hwe TikTok bi man start ye pa ni kunu pia na de nyuma sem hello baby why no mu dia sa be ma ni gina ho sa na ni age no so dia. I mean, make your home a happy home. You and your husband can do it. Oba ti true. Why a stiff dodo? Na do bia na wona ena mi kru ena wakase a kire me utimi ya oda dodo chaso. A glass of water to welcome your husband. Ni bu ofu se den kwa ofra bontin ba na obi kwa ne de ha ni bia obeka kire wo. Se mamu huru tumi a mo wo. So if women will come to the realization of how powerful they are, and on a man be huna, Bama be baby or say, Mamina ye ni kunu de edro onye na edro. She treats her husband like a king, so she's already a queen. To Bama no see the form. And there be a watch one no see this way. There also be. Don't associate with women who have a wrong mental attitude about marriage. What you about worry for? What done for pa ne oba young girl be on worry ye? I don't know why Jimmy be far worry home. E be cry be ane mama ne papa worry ye. Anche bia no montam ti ye. Ente bia ne mama was a single parent. And never be omo famu. It was bitter about men. And I will worry no kruto. And I would ideas to free sa oba no or baby or divorced. And now I worry a good year into or you're so bitter. What worry? Or no now on any ball. And I tell you I would advice. Oh, your marriage is gone. Your marriage is gone. Over too far, my codu pemper so say he will situate your husband into ononi kruna onini jaye no. It is hard in the eyes of you no obe hu say ni kruna ti say ononi kruna onini jaye. Osusu wan hwe kra akọ pre-divorce. Afọ be wie no anu hu. Be say Rabbi frame me. Ne ma me nom ne papa mo. Ai na be ma de nko a Bema de kwa jare ono twi jano and a girl tie ya ni kru and o tam ni bag ni niema e call ni ma me ni papa fie se bema na bi wa me pa na chewa bema no so ka chen se o ma na 1 month wa ma ni and a bema no eni oba no jaware ni kru no ni ma me ni nua no boje ni so after 1 month pe o ko jare o ko fa ni nua kuma samna o ka chen se pacho aware na so waja aware ya betena fi ha nya me samna na ade kodware omu dinani ama ofra me osuin ebia wotie me se wo aware mu a hwe ye se wo ma me se me papa se me nua se. Don't associate with any woman that has a different mentality. Asabi a young girl be kan ye me yam se me de abusuan de emu mema nye busia de emu mema na say me tis wa ya dam so aware che begu asoma me ka me so aware we ho wose na busia mo mu mema na me ko ya busia no so mu mema no lie so abusia no lie bia so wose o busia de mu mema where your mentality that's a one say oba we di agro and on ne nama e di atwe no de mema towards your husband. Mumu bebre matete ne ma obabi bebre ena mo de akwa aware ase. So you are finding marriage so difficult. Don't associate with women who have a wrong mental attitude about marriage. Proverbs 22:14. Afei mama fancy her. Last one. The mouth of an immoral woman is a deep pit. The mouth of an immoral woman, Proverbs 22:4, is a deep pit. He who is abhorred by the Lord will fall there. The mouth of an immoral woman. Who is an immoral woman? Proverbs 22, verse number 14. I told me, Bopa. Ko do maybe anamasumbu.
Food for thought.
Emma asansa for ano yamena. Emma asansa for immoral woman. Na no yamena. Na ankasa amena keke o. Wose amena donko. De Awurade raho no behwim. Oba oye sansani omu bema eno akofa na damfo na numu asem ya mena donko na obetom se bam by the time obetom no pia umtimpie hweye pa menu aba afei ma me fa wenwie. Fruit of the womb is a blessing from the Lord. Love your children and teach them well. Proverbs 22:6. Oba awo she ne maye ni kuna ni kunu. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Oba osiesie ni ma ho ye. Otia ni ma. Onka say we dey twen na papa baba beto. Oba ware for tie me. Ma woman strow and chain ukunu because only omo na wo fie dodo oba bia ne mesro no chain ne kunu no nkola ne nyini be nkola pa be ma bi ho no ma me say it's kind of very hard to beat a child. It is say me yire susu be yesa kola ne be say me manu din kwasi asem umfa na kwem o ken wo fi oba hwew da bia na omu dwane omu me ha me na omu ba me o me dwane aba me chen oba hwew pa wa na me kire no etitie me tete wo maye se be ma hunu se o tete wo maye aho opia bontin no koye dwuma wada And yama be a fatai, could be yeno. Ultimate fama, if you're even the kinds of friends are when the makipuno, or you're very watchful. When was the last time my wife, who found Matna Sikrobusa or more near Kosovo school? You are so busy going up and down. Oh, Hana Bakorano, Bali the Yinsayaba. Bonsa Ukru, a poor fool, because you are with the child all the time. Mammy, fully be cried to me, pushing a mumma, and Momuko Chimpna. Nani Krunim. Now, boy, never Shano, no so. To be on my relationship, no talk about Bemuina, I didn't talk when I am Qualano. Now, can you make him Qualano Bambo say, I said, yeah. I don't know some Qualano better to Montem. I mean, found here. Namen Chiao. Obey me about Homanoso. Don't fall no me. No, my abject bit me the Economatra. I may add my next week. I will have some time for you and say, keep your wife. My money P. In Subine and man be reacting. Every woman is like a computer. And computers, Aki will tell you they have what is called garbage in, garbage out. Akimi boy. What you put in a woman, he will reproduce it and give you double. And to your bema, there be audio about him. That question will be free and numa bound channel. Who do tell about them? I feel I'm on Sakobono. Okay, so Yenipa. Who did just a semen and a saw bar a womb? He gave you a whole human being. What you give to them, they multiply it and give it back to you. Who shall buy a door, mappa? Or door, they door no 10 times the other door. No. God willing, next week we'll continue. We will continue. Keep your wife. Series 1 will come. Mami kwa homano so umfred jumedie we so da. Let me give you the opportunity to call and share with me if you've been blessed the whole of this week on this series. Number is 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 0551 931 931. Why is shra fre now fre no ma TV no and our radio no echo from pa. God richly bless you. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Omai.
Me pa chon when ye.
I am me,
I'm my own friend down.
Omai.
Mami tiwa no pay. Mami tiwa no pay.
Na, I'm saying Tuesday, so who you are not me. Nem send and I shall have a muscle. Yeah, so we are not some mind. And someone walks on your own. You will bend a bit now, will be yaman. I'm a labor so. So she knew
my dear. And nothing I'm saying next week. You better keep your wife.
Okay, no. Your man boy, you knew for Umba. So, obey it.
Yay. Okasa yawa. Dear odi for no, obefa. The only for no, obeha so obetwa so aye ni saa. Next week, we say keep your wife series. A your man intra. Why? Come on, to him. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omai.
Me pa cho hwan ye?
Omai Eben Okoso.
Eben, on fresh so da ho.
There you Omai.
My ntiwa no pay.
Yo, Omai. That was it. Me try to manage inside my room. That was the name. 50 hours of my man, I was the man. For more coercive remote control. Bema, who is a procro bar, a done. About them, I would be by a few buttons, or I had any button. Any class of friend of bar, a week here. And yes, a war of man walking to me as my man, he had a good opportunity. Not be also a man who said, he had small neighbors, you know, clear book, if me, Obama, you see that here they had one to give you a few opportunities now, Korean Mamba. Yes, remember, you never trace from my man.
God bless you. Next week if you have a day. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Wendy.
Make sure Doris.
Okay, Doris, mami tiwa no pay.
Make sure my program is saying any agita because and last time me kronya assembly na me pa na chofe de chire one me kasa na me se me sheda na me pa wa cho. If you ho the air topic into me say that na be see me life mo pm.
Good one.
Right,
okay. Somehow come up pacho we also me sheda na pacho. Na you say new mu. No. Good one, pa. Hello, good morning.
My good morning.
Me pacho Omanhene.
Me dear Ericus, because I'm in
okay.
No, Obaswa magazine, dear Afanchi Blake.
And you break the Abubiano pay, mammy.
Yeah, woman, do of our opening on my woman to know. What that's a saying, and Obana so not you will feel no car. As a fun one fool.
No, dear Chinya.
Because I one curfew, but there be other by the Christianity. The over can be the unknown tenor. Anyway, and this and I come on Tony and says, will you see ya? The other can be one fat. How balance in any day? Because all done. Yeah, well, I don't know.
I said to na man kasa I may say keep your husband. On say that Saturday we are ebia oba no ye no. Won say bedroom maybe no. One in a tear so now dopa wo mu ne ko. Na fe bo say we be kra unko twimp now but niam bia na nke wo wa kuma so obeya ma no kra no obisa wa say utimi kasa uni bi. Nti da me ne man kasa say omomo mani nko sa ne ma no ho. Enya so den. Netna na yes wasede se be ma no na ne suba anye no ya wo de wo ye unya medwuma. Na wodo a ode beba. Why? Thank you, my brother. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me pacho Omanhene.
It's actually a friend name.
Hey, mami too.
Uncle Mom Pacho, when you walk over, I make them come to a number.
Yo 0205170969. Omuka news now between the Makasa. 0205170969. Okay. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Oma.
Yes, my dear.
Good morning.
Morning, no. Pacho, my radio and TV didn't call for mommy. Why?
Oma and Pacho. Now, why are
Me who ye now swear.
If anything, I'm cafe free, so I'm Salafia.
Yo, mammy, too, I no pay.
Mine, Wakasap, I met you free Thursday. Met you, and so that. When they at the end of the age, man, so the honor it here, won't you? And doing the
aye, what the Oswana fire, Juma?
The Wogu, Nakadi, Obejiano, Lunia Semon.
It is well. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omai.
Me pacho Omanhene.
Me pacho we been timidity beshi.
Yo, mami too.
Me pacho sasema na wo kan pa de. Obaka sa wo shebe ntumam. Omai me ko ware no oba na me ko ware no. Brother Christ. Aswade pa enkwa ha. But one am free ba. Omai ne de wa ka sama me we say yes. And this Omai ware na gu. Ware na gu. Ai afokubo mo no dia go nyina nsa gyanfo obia nso ngare is ya ware gu ye wo munam sa
also be on my what choose a certain lifestyle. That is how a person was born in brand. You know won't mean ya ho hwe
and nukre
oh because onipa bia no opensan ya ye tunufo a wontie onipa bia a opempuntio na brabom ye tunufo a wotie because say ensesan ma impuntio ma yes, without change there's no development. And a change, you know, so it can even be say it can be a positive change or a negative change. The moment I hear negative change in a true sign, if it's a positive change, uko wanim. So kasachre obi no amfa. E che so onye na adwen so obesesa. E je ono wutumi nya no hwe.
Ma poj makwana me huza me bafie.
Ah, so aniji ade bafie kura ni ho. One way young man, and your friend me yare so mentiapo. Now when you need chain, when you sign
because hospital by doctor catches my bottom of you.
Oh, you are.
Me Jaka Quam, Kaba, be mine. Unia man, Tessa Kababe, will be the pushing with a brand, you with the Kababe.
You ever see my brother? Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Oman.
Hello.
Oman.
Hello.
Kita Constitution. Because free, I'm gonna remove.
Hello.
Oman.
Hey, now they. Oh, it's in the voice, but I watch it. Check it well for me.
From me, Kita Constitution. Because free, I'm gonna remove.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Me ba cho hwan ni.
O my me ba cha no pa di junior me kase free amani.
Yo, junior ma enti wa no pe.
Omanhene Yankopon insha pa because
amen.
Anka Danny Danyina na anka yibinya awarefo ubia radio eda wo FM station since from what started free Kesben up to radio station I work for free. Any ma wo ye ma awarefo odo etina montem no Yankopon faso insha no shewa na mu pa why.
Amen.
Ihia nkwatenken ma pa.
Amen, my brother. Nyame insha also. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho hwan ni.
Pacho Y2K ni.
Y2K.
Yeah.
Mami tie wa no pe.
Omanhene, me se min Sompa no wa kan. Omanhene, musela aseli ayempie. Ye ne ye mu pie. Omanhene bo jadi say last week I Sunday yai. Me na me yele ya pie ne na fofo ya pie. Ye pie ye afi ya invite ya koto drinks ne da ya wia ya fata me ameta na me call ya de ba. And one man my wife I mean the call ye. Do hu ani say na me ba ko bam nurse ni bi asem ye na adwuma we customer no ko bam no stay. Nipa ela I don't know when they buy no so me papa and they buy and me mama. Afi me yeri hu say ye yosa. Na when na one ne ko akran ne ko samsia akran woni mu no tem yo ba madwuma mu ho. Nti problem ye ni ho the chef Omanhene
jealous.
Hey, good job. Say kana ko honom. Oh, Omanhene nya so me kan make me to.
Aden on your bana kodi nkomo.
Akane ko kodi nkomo.
Say ne bani ni dia ne mpana no me bo a.
Yeah, for mine. Imagine.
Now titi ni gi amode call na fe mo ba fie bufo.
It's
one no so de ne call ye mbo a.
Omanhene. You better feel mine and talk quite giddy. The cat is falling in our second room.
Hey!
Check!
What is it? I will car time.
Falling in
mafia. Hey! That's it. When any bufu ya to me ball TV sing now.
Me for me dey draw seno. For me dey draw seno touch phone.
I know we our bufu show I was so tie no jai. Bufu show. Hey, enye. Challenge ya wo.
Saturday call my man na you. But na you me compare investors we die.
It is a see no de abojo aba.
Abojo de my if you say so na yeah can wasem.
Enya he from a cheni ni nkomo wai.
Mati o my me da si.
Hey. Twitwa ties him. And the tie back ubo. This is too it's on the high. Hey. The mini aba Mr. Onidi Ekwanso. I'm in for last call. Hello.
Good morning, Oma.
Good morning. Yo, meet you.
It was no who to no pay or the amay. Mr. Owa said, open one down, no one come.
Oh. So, only number our best friend.
If I show there be
020 51 70 969 020 51 70 969.